you amazing financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And it's Taco Tuesday. Today we're filling our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge envelope. We're learning from our sweet group of friends about finding stability as we save for Christmas all year long, and discovering from our wise succulent that consistent habits create lasting peace. Let's blend smart savings with joyful living. That's the recipe for stability. We're going to start today's stuffing with our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge. This challenge is one that we can plan for because we know how much we're going to save. And today is Tuesday the 10th, so we will be saving $10. And that $10 should be right in the back, and here it is. And with this $10, that means we now have 120, 30, 1, 2, 3, $133 saved in Taco Tuesday, just saving the dollar amount for each Tuesday. Now we are going to move forward into some of our fun. And we are going to start things out with the life of friends who are Christmas crazy. And we are starting with our Christmas knockout. And for this one, we are going to grab our 6-sided die and we are going to roll to see what our knockout number is. And the knockout number is 6. So here we are with 6 again. And if you recall last time I told you that I have a friend that said I roll 6 more than anyone she knows. And she was tickled at how often 6 came up last week. So let's see what we're going to get for our first roll. 2. So we're going to put a 2 on this stocking. For the next one, we're rolling a 4. And the next one, we are rolling a 5. Next, let's see, are we going to knock out or are we going to be saving great? And we have a 6. So what that means is we are going to mark out all of those numbers above and we are going to roll. And our last roll, let's see what we get. We have 4. So for this first set, we are saving $10 because 6 plus 4 is 10. And oops, I forgot to count how much money we have available to us to stuff into our challenges. So we've got 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 91. We've got $91 to put towards our challenges, and we're starting out with $10 here for our first group of stockings. Now let's see. We are going to roll again to see what our knockout number is, and it's 2 this time. So let's see if we're going to get the knockout number or if we are going to be saving all the way down. We start out with $1. Next, let's see. We've got 2. So we are going to mark out that 1 because we got our knockout number. Roll again, and we've got 4. Roll again, and that one's on its side, so we're going to try again. And roll, and we just got 2. So we are going to knock out all of these numbers up here and roll again, and we have 6. So we will be saving $8. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8 to make $18 that we're saving on this page. Next, we are over here with Georgie, our new friend, and it appears that Georgie is mailing some Christmas letters. Today is the second Tuesday of this month, so we will be scratching off 3 of these spaces. I'm going to start right here, and let's take a look. This challenge is not messing around. We are starting out saving $11. Let's see where we're going to go next. We are going to scratch off. Let's try right here. And we have $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take a look and see if we can condense at all, because I am almost sure we have at least one more dollar. We do. There we go. And we can get a 5. All right. Now our last scratch of the day. I'm going to go up here. And we have another $5. So in our Life of Friends Who Are Christmas Crazy, we are saving 10, 15, 25, 35, 41 to $42 today. Now, let's see how much we've saved in our challenge thus far this year. For Christmas, our first goal is to save enough to have $500 to put towards our angel tree. So we've got 1, 2, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 200, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got $210 saved towards Christmas. I'm very excited about that because my ultimate goal was originally to save $500, but it appears that we will be able to do a little something extra, and if so, we will then add grandparents to getting Christmas presents. But our priority is always our angels on the angel tree. Now, let's move on to Life of a Succulent Who Wants to Inspire Others. This challenge scares me. And the reason it scares me is because of the way that we are doing this royal draw. It says set an amount for aces, kings, queens, and jacks, which we've set here. Shuffle a deck of cards, draw 1 or 2 cards, color in the card, and save the amount for the cards drawn. Add those cards to the discard pile and keep using the same deck until all cards are colored. Want to use this challenge multiple times? Use a dot marker. But since I don't have a deck of cards, what I've been doing is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So I roll my 6-sided die in order to find out which row. And then depending on whether it's one of these bottom rows or one of these, it determines whether I'm rolling my 10-sided die or my 8-sided die. If it's row 5 or 6, I'll roll the 8-sided die. If it's one of these, I'll roll the 10-sided die. If on this one I get 10, then I will roll again because we know that there's only 9 of these rows, no repeat numbers. So let's take a look and see what we're doing. I am hoping that we don't get an IOU, but we may run out of money. Let's see how much we've got, because we can actually stop rolling if we max out our money, but it was supposed to be roughly about 99 per week max. So we've got 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got $49. So let's see how far we can go with what we've got, and hopefully we can catch up because we don't have to have an IOU. We will be doing the cards and the cards alone. Let's give it a roll and see where we land. Row 1, which means we need our 10-sided die. So let's give it a roll and see where we land. And we've got 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are starting things out saving $10. 5, 10. All right. Next, let's see which row. Row 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our 10-sided die, we've got a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are saving $6. 5, 6. We'll roll again, and we have row 1, and let's see, and 1. So we're saving $2 more. Now let's roll once more. We've got row 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means this one will be expensive. Let's see. And we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a jack, which means we are saving $10. 5, 10. All right, let's roll again. And it's row 5 again. Let's see. And we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will be saving another $10 for the Queen of Hearts. Let's roll again. 6. So this row here, which, oh my gosh, can get expensive. 3. 1, 2, 3. And we've already rolled that one, so we're going to try again. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have rolled that one. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll roll the 6-sided die again because all of these are done. And we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would roll a 6, right? And 1. So we've got the King of Hearts, which means we are saving $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And dare I roll again? What do you guys think? What should I do, you guys? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep rolling because I have not rolled enough to say that I've covered 13 cards or $99. So we've got $48 here that we've accounted for. We're going to keep rolling and see what our IOU is. So let's roll. And we've got row 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to roll again. And it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is $9. So right now we've got an $8 IOU. Because we are going to finish this. So I'm just going to go on ahead and know that I'm going to have the IOU and try to plan better for this upcoming bank draft. So what this means is our IOU shouldn't be more than $51. So right now we're at $8. Let's keep rolling. So row 2, and let's see where we land. And the second one, so we have $3. All right, row 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we will be rolling our 8-sided die, and we've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the Queen of Clubs, and we're adding $10. So we're now up to $21. Let's roll again. Row 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are going to roll. We've got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Queen of Diamonds. So that's another $10. We'll roll again. That's row 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are loving those suits. 3. 1, 2, 3. We've got the the Jack of Clubs. So that's another 10. So we've got $10 that we're working with. Let's see. We've got row 5, and it's definitely going to be $10. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've already done that one, so let's try again. Number 2, so we've got the Jack of Diamonds. So our IOU, we're going to get from the back of our Taco Tuesday challenge, and we owe our Life of a Succulent $51. So we have 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $49 plus our 51 is the 99 that we planned on putting into this challenge in order to complete our royal draw. And our words of inspiration today is go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. So here we are, guys, with our $51 IOU. But this challenge is going towards a good cause. So we know that things are going to look up. All because we are prioritizing our savings. So in this challenge, we've got 100, 200, 50, 70, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have $547 in cash. And with our IOU of $51, that's $398 that we have saved thus far this year in the life of a succulent who wants to inspire others. I will be making good on that IOU this Friday. Guys, that is another delicious Taco Tuesday complete. Our friends who are Christmas crazy and our succulent who wants to inspire others has shown us that stability comes from balancing our needs with our wants, our today with our tomorrow. That's the wisdom we're building on. Thank you for creating financial balance today, my incredible financial fashionistas. You're proving that stability is delicious. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co., reminding you that steady habits create extraordinary results. Keep building that beautiful balance. And I'll see you tomorrow for our 90 Days Locked In Kawaii Coffee edition.